Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna have to show you how to set up the Synology NAS on Proxmox VE. So let's get started together. Step 1, you need to download the requires file. The first one is Loader, or we call it the bootloader from this website. Just copy and go to the browser, open the new type and paste. Just scroll down. Then just click here to download. Let's to download this patch file. Just copy this link. Going to the browser. Past. Just go to the support download center. Select the product, then choose NAS. Select your Synology product. These 3617Xs. I chose this product. Then click download. Step to create VM on Proxmox VE. Back to Proxmox VE. Select on PVE host, create VM. VM at 151. VM name NAS DSM. Next. OS, select do not use any media. System then. Next. Disk, just delete. CPU, assign for CPU cores. And choose type host. Next. Memory, I assign 8 GB, equal 8192. Next. And network card, only one to select, and next. OK, confirm, finish. We completed the VM creation. So let's move to see the download status. Download finished. And then we just import bootloader file into the local storage. Here my local storage. Here I allocate to store the ISO file or image only. As you can see, the image I already imported. If you haven't imported yet, you just click to upload and browse the file where you store and upload into the disk. As my lab I already exist. Let's move to the step 3. Import the bootload into the disk CD to ISO directory, so copy this command. Select PVE host. Open shell console. And paste. You can see the bootloader image. This command to import the bootloader into the disk. I just copy command. And paste. Complete success. Back to VM. As you can see here, right? CD not requires, just remove it out. Click here, edit. Cache, choose write back. I add new hard disk, sorry. I add this hard disk to store the data. Select the storage STG normal to store data. Disk size 40 GB and cache. Write back. Click add. Wait a moment. Done. We have the two disks. This one is for the bootloader, and this one is to store the data. Let's move to the next step. Step 4 also done. The step 5. We need to change the boot order. Make it for a primary boot. And the second to enable the guest CPU agent. Just click the option. Double-click boot order. Select to enable. Move it up for a primary boot. QEMU guest agent. Select enable agent, OK. Start the VM. Open console. Wait a moment. Select model and enter OK. I choose this model to install. Enter. Yes, enter. Use this IP import to access the Synology NAS key. Sound great, we can access it now. Click to install. Select manually, then browse. Select the patch file to install. Next. And then continue. Confirm model to delete. It will take a few minutes. It's restarting now. And approximate to complete about 10 minutes. Click Start. Enter the device name. Admin account. I put account admin in my password. Next. Select Notify me when DSM or package update is available. It was redirects to HTS and the port replace with 5001. Secure access and share from anywhere. Click No thanks. And two factors, no. Enter the email. I don't want now. Click OK. Create the NAS storage. Pool and volume. Click Create now. RAID type. I choose basic one. Name. Pool. Select. OK, my disk 40 gigabytes. Next. Continue. I skip drive check next. Enter the allocated size. Next. Yeah, just choose the recommendation in next, then apply. We can see the resource monitor, CPU memory, utilization, and our system health is good, healthy. So the next. Go to the file station. Just created folder to share. Select Create New Folder. For testing 1. Store data to ensure that the NAS Synology is available to store data. I put the share folder name. Data. Yes, choose location volume 1 because we have only one. Click Next. User the permission no need now. Folder data has been created. I create a subfolder. Test. Let me upload some files to testing. Another file. All good now, so we can store the data on the Synology. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please help to subscribe, like and comment below video. See you the next video.